Back to college, back to work, vacations, agent vacations, all these impact the overall real estate market yearly. So we do see this bump in the overall Maryland market. Annapolis. It's Friday, August 23rd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. More homes went under contract this week, and recent sales bounced back to seller net at 100% list to sold ratio. Way to go, Annapolis. Inventory remains at 150 homes for sale in Annapolis, and there are 23 homes coming soon. 31 homes went under contract in 11 days since last report, and 29 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and in 7 days. Rentals rose to 35 at $3,200 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 23rd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.